Welcome back. So, in my last video, I made the part of the design of the GST bill. Today, I will extend the design of the GST bill because if I complete the GST bill entry at a time, then the video will be so long. I don't want to long the video because it will step by step. If you follow my code, then you can understand which I want to say with this tutorial. Now, the body part I am going to write here, and you can see single child scroll view, column, padding, whatever need for the design. Undercard, child, and list view, list title here. First part is bill number, which is our first point. And subtitle is date. And one icon button is required here because some of information I can edit by click on icon button, that is edit button. Click or press. The function I will show you in detail, don't worry, in future video. Now I am going to use the global variable. For that, I open a new page. Global var dot. By the way, if you are not subscribed my channel, I like to let you know, please subscribe my channel. Then you can get the notification when I upload the new video. the global variable, how to use the global variable, how to declare the global variable, which I can use anywhere in this project or in this tutorial. Just class GST var, it's my choice GST variable, but var static var VH number by default blank, or I can define or declare by default 1. Now here I put the global variable, and now I am going to the date, current date, how to display the current date, string card date is equal to date format ddmmyy, and format is date time, date time now. T should be, here is T should be change. Yeah. Now you can see, now I put the current date. Now you can see the bill number by default 1 and date is current date. Next step is customer name. And date using date format intel.dat, this file intl.dat export import किया है. और next, after container we will open the another container. Padding constant 1.0, child, new card, list item, title, here we also declare the global variable, customer name, cust name, cust ID, custom state, cust state ID. Because if the state ID within the within my state, then GST will be calculated SGST and CGST. If out of my state, then GST will be calculated as IGST. That is why this is the important. Okay. Here we can use another icon button for search the customer name. As you can see, the search button is there. Here we cannot declare. I try to declare, but I think the variable will not declare here. Here we can check. First, we have to check GST bar customer name is empty. Customer name. Now we can see the customer name, and when we complete the search button function, then you can see how to select the customer, and here. Now next step is another container we will use here. column children constant padding value child card child list title new icon. Here we also use the icon. If you continue to see our tutorial, then you can understand why, what, where, and for what I am using icon, and for that you need to subscribe my channel so you can you can get the notification, and you can understand properly, because it's a tutorial series for GST bill entry. Now this part for the insert item. It's a part of insert item. You cannot understand with the one video. Now next part is footer part. It is a header part, and now I am going to write the footer part where show that gross total, discount total, GST total. Here I am using container and under container constant box constant, a different how many plays we can use to display item, and it does not mean उतना ही उसमें item आएगा, that will be scroll. जैसे जैसे आइटम बढ़ते जाएगा वो स्क्रॉल होते जाएगा. Now this is the part of footer part. I am going to write. Just follow the code, and I hope if you are completely new with the Flutter, I think you need to follow the code and coding syntax. Then you can understand properly. Look, in this tutorial, the series of tutorial, there are lots of things I am using, like how to connect, how to use the SQLite database, global variable, here I think थोड़ा बहुत गड़बड़ हो गया. Let's delete all the code. I think I can, it's better to delete all the code and rewrite again. That will be better. Otherwise, it will take time to rectify. Children, row, future children, expanded, padding, padding, constant, child, double the infinity, child, container, gross total. And gross total को थोड़ा gross total file. After finish this series of tutorial, I will upload all the coding in GitHub. Now it's all the part one part is complete, and I know I like to copy all the part percent is a part of the gross total, and amount will be shown. जस्ट दिखाने के लिए जीरो जीरो डाल दिया, बाद में इसका कैलकुलेशन एक पार्ट रहेगा, उस टाइम इसमें वेरिएबल यूज करके इसमें डाल देंगे. If you still like my project, like my tutorial, and if not, subscribe. I suggest you to subscribe this channel with hit the bell icon so you can get the notification when I upload the new video. Looks one by one I am just copying because same code almost same, just variable should be changed, nothing else. Bill amount, the last part. Almost I have done the design of the GST bill entry. So we will start the internal coding to calculation and selection customer. Thank you for watching my video.